Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If your iPhone personal hotspot is not working, not showing up, or keeps disconnecting, don't worry. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix personal hotspot issues on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and tap on Personal Hotspot. Now make sure the toggle next to Allow others to join is turned on. If you don't see the Personal Hotspot option at all, go back to Settings, tap on Cellular, and then check if it appears there. If Personal Hotspot is turned on and it's still not working, then try toggling cellular data on or off. For this, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular, and turn off cellular data. Wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Now try enabling Personal Hotspot again. If the problem is still not solved, a simple restart can fix temporary software glitches. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the side button and the volume up button. Slide to power off, wait 10 to 15 seconds and turn the device back on. After restarting, try enabling the personal hotspot feature again and connect your other devices to it. Sometimes your carrier settings need to be updated. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, and then tap on About. If a carrier settings update pop-up appears, tap on Update. This can fix hotspot issues related to your mobile network. If personal hotspot is still not working, try resetting network settings on your iPhone. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General. Here, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and VPN settings. After the reset, reconnect to your mobile network and try again. If personal hotspot is active on your iPhone but another device can't find your hotspot, then try these fixes. Turn Wi-Fi off and on the other device. Make sure you're using the correct Wi-Fi password. Keep both devices close together and turn off low power mode on your iPhone. You can also try connecting via USB or Bluetooth instead of Wi-Fi. If personal hotspot is still not working, your mobile plan may not support tethering. Contact your carrier and confirm that personal hotspot is enabled for your plan. If your iPhone's hotspot keeps disconnecting automatically, make sure auto lock is not set to short, low data mode is turned off, and you're not in an area with weak cellular signals. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to fix iPhone personal hotspot feature not working. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.